Hello, third graders. Today we are going to learn how to play a game called Pathways. To play this game, you will need two players, one Pathways game board placed in a translucent sleeve, two paper clips for each pair of students, and one dry erase marker per student, each of different colors. Looking at the Pathways game board, I see that the numbers at the bottom are factors. The numbers on the grid are the products of those factors. Miss Abby, that's me, I'm going to play against my mom. To begin the game, the oldest player goes first. So since my mom is older than I am, she's going to go first. She picks up the two paper clips and places them on the two factors at the bottom of the game board. She picks the factors 3 and 6. She knows that 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. Next, she takes her blue dry erase marker and covers up the product 18. Now it's my turn. I can only move one of the paper clips to a different factor. I decide to keep the 3 and move the paperclip off of the 6. I place the paperclip on the 8, so I have to multiply 3 times 8, which I know equals 24. So I take my red dry erase marker and cover up the product 24. Then it would be my mom's turn again. She would only move one paperclip to a new factor. The game continues alternating between both players, with the goal being to create a pathway across the game board, like so. It's important to remember that a pathway connects by sharing two sides or a corner of a square across the game board from left to right. A pathway does not go from top to bottom, although pathways will still move up and down. Let's pretend that my mom and I kept playing, and we end the game with our game board looking like this. Since I created a pathway in red marker all the way across the board from left to right, I would be the winner. Better luck next time, Mom.